Get into a car with value. 2022 Nissan Titan. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The bold styling of this powerful Titan is just the start. This full-size pickup delivers the strength and capability you need to meet the challenge. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, fog lamps, bed liner, keyless start, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, four-wheel drive. Rugged capability meets refined comfort in this well-appointed Titan. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.